Hi everyone, CC Summerfield here, and thanks for tuning in to my October real estate market update. Let's start off by taking a look at what's happening on a national level. The real estate market across the US has been going through some interesting changes in 2024, and we've seen a mix of trends, some expected and some actually very surprising. In the last 30 days, the national housing market has continued its cooling trend, especially in the higher cost markets. Home sales have slowed slightly due to the higher mortgage rates, of course, which are now hovering around 7.25% for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. National home sales are down actually 2.3% month over month, but the median home price is actually up 0.6% year over year. We're seeing fewer bidding wars compared to the peak frenzy of the last couple years, but prices remain elevated in many markets, driven by low inventory and lack of new construction. In fact, inventory across the US is down by about 15% compared to 2023, which is keeping home prices higher than many, of course, had hoped. Builders are also facing challenges with labor shortages and rising material costs, making it tough to bring new homes to the market to meet the demands. On the other hand, we are seeing some stabilization in areas that have been overheated, like Austin, Boise, and Phoenix, where prices are even flattening or declining slightly. Now let's talk about interest rates. It's been a major topic for homebuyers and sellers alike. Over the past 30 days, interest rates dipped down into the low sixes and we thought we saw some positive action there, but then rebounded back up to over 7%, due mainly to a better jobs report than what was expected. The good news for buyers is that higher interest rates have helped reduce competition in some markets, but for sellers, it's more important than ever to price your home competitively and be prepared for a longer listing time. All right, now let's bring it home to San Diego. How is our market holding up as we head into the final quarter of 2024? Let's break it down. In San Diego, the market has remained relatively resilient compared to other parts of the country. Here are the key stats over the last 30 days. The median detached home price for San Diego County is $1,030,000, so not budging really anywhere over that $1 million mark. Surprisingly, the median days on market remains really low at 15, and homes over the last 30 days actually sold for 1.5% over the listing price. The median condo and townhome price decreased from the previous 30 days to $645,000, and for the first time in a while, actually sold for less than the listing price. Median days on market were up slightly to 19, and as you can see, home prices are holding strong. While inventory has increased a bit in certain areas, competition is still relatively fierce under the $1 million price point. Now, I want to address some of the most common questions I've been getting about the current market. First is, of course, is now a good time to buy? My answer never changes. It really depends on your financial situation and your long-term goals. If you're looking to buy in San Diego and plan on holding the property for at least 5 years, the low inventory and the strong demand suggest that prices will most likely continue to rise over time. Yes, mortgage rates are higher, but there are creative financing options out there like adjustable rate mortgages or ARMs and rate buydowns that could help you lock in a better deal. Again, the key is a 5-year hold. Question number 2, is it still a good time to sell? For sellers, it's a great time to sell, especially if you own a home that's going to be priced under that $1 million point. However, pricing is key. Homes that are overpriced are sitting longer, but homes that are priced right are still getting multiple offers. With inventory still relatively low, yes, we're up a bit, you have a strong advantage as a seller, but make sure your home is well prepped and marketed. If you have any questions about the San Diego real estate market, or you're thinking about making a move, I'd love to just have a conversation with you to see how I might be able to help.